Good morning, guys. Today we're going to show you how to use the iRTA2 to verify channel summing. That is when take a mid-range or tweeter that is active in the vehicle, meaning that it is on its own channel, and then sum that with a mid-range on its own active channel as well. In this case, we have a Bose system. There's a 6x9 inch mid bass in the door and a 2.5 inch middler located in the dash. We want to verify what each one of the signals is doing and then sum them together to create a full range sound. At the factory amplifier, we've taken the driver's front mid bass and the driver's front mid range and connected them into left and right channels on the iRTA. We'll be using the EduCar Test and Tune app and the Tune section, which will give us mono pink noise. Using our Apple aux to Lightning connector, we're connected to our iPad. Launch your favorite RTA software, click on the left channel, and start slowly turning the volume up. Once you're to your desired level, turn on the right channel. This is going to show us the two signals summed together. Turning off one of the channels, such as the left, is going to show us that dash mid-range and its output. Turning off the right channel and turning on the left channel, that is going to show us the output of the mid-bass. With them both on, we now have the total of the two. What you should be looking for is if there's any decrease in sound where the two meet. In this case, we'd want to look in this area here for the mid-bass and this area here for the mid-range. With them both on, we don't see any problems. This is a pretty nice sum. This is what is going to be feeding our amplifier when we sum the two together. You can also use this to see if there's any active EQ going on. If we turn the volume up higher, we'll notice here on the left side that the subwoofer starts to roll off a tad. If we turn it back down, we'll notice that it slowly starts to increase. More than likely, this is some form of active loudness control. It's not necessarily a bad thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.